How fast is a sneeze? You'll be shocked. Next time you sneeze, remember, you just launched a tiny storm. Sneezes can blast out of your nose at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. Your sneeze is one of your body's most powerful reflexes. It can launch thousands of tiny droplets into the air at jet speed, as fast as 100 miles per hour. That's why colds and flu spread so quickly in public places. And get this, the spray can travel up to 20 feet and stay in the air for minutes. Now you know why it's important to cover your mouth, especially during flu season. Mind blown? Imagine all that power from just one little achoo. Tell me the weirdest place you've ever sneezed. And don't forget to subscribe for more surprising facts about your awesome body.